was over, they thought I was finished, dog. Whole city jump behind me, now I get more racks than a tennis ball. And you know ain't no looking back. The streets brought the hustle out of me. I was sick of eating pot of meat. Ramen noodles all through the week. The struggle was ugly, made something out of nothing.
What it do, man? 78 Chevy Boy coming at you again to remind you about the 4th Annual Connect and Never Competing Car Show going down May 31st, Southaven, Mississippi at the Lander Center. I just want to let you know, as we come out to showcase these amazing vehicles, we also want to take a moment to recognize something very important: autism awareness. Autism is a spectrum, and that means no two people with autism are exactly the same. It's often invisible, but its impact is very real, and it can touch the lives of individuals, families, and communities in profound ways. This is why it's so important for us to come together to raise awareness and to foster inclusivity and support for individuals with autism and their families. By recognizing autism at the 4th Annual CNC Carshow, we are not just showing support for those who have ASD, but we're also creating an environment where acceptance, respect, and kindness is celebrated. Just like every car that's going to be there has a unique design, so does every individual. Embracing those differences make our community richer, stronger, and more connected. So with that being said, anyone that has a loved one, friend, it doesn't matter, with autism, and you all want to come to the show and enjoy the festivities, please get with me. I have free tickets for you. Contact 78 Chevy Boy. It's going down May 31st, Southaven, Mississippi. Be there. All right? What it do, man? 78 Chevy Boy. We out here today, man. Rolling around, trying to take care of some business, man. We down here at Olive Branch Trophies, about to go ahead and holler at them. Leave here, go and pick up the Ninja Slushy, man. Drop it off down there with a we're gonna drop it off down there with a Blackstone Grill. No, that's two of the many giveaways we doing at the car show this year, man. Hey, we repping the car show. It's down to crunch time. We about a little bit over a month away, man. Like a month and a week away. So we finna definitely get man. I'm talking about get to it, man. So we finna handle this, handle that, and see what else we gonna get into, man. 78 Chevy Boy, they go in here, and Olive Branch Trophies is under new management now, man. New owners. They under new owners. So we finna go in here and holler at them. I have already initially introduced myself to them, so they'll know me when I come in. She will. I think her name is Crystal. So they go up in here, man. See what we got going on. All right. What it do? Not much. You all right, man? Long time no see, man. Man, and grew the hair out and everything, man. Man, can't call it. Down here, give him a trophy together for the car show coming up in May. Yeah. Oh, this party, this you?
Yeah, I bought it from Jay.
Oh, man, because I met Crystal. That's her name?
Yeah, that's my wife.
Man, I didn't know that, man. I came in a couple months ago. Yeah, that's why I get the trophy done there.
Last October. But I was working the other job too, but I'm here full time now. I left that other job.
Hey, what's up, man? We done reunited, man.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Yeah, man.
We just did KJ.
Huh?
We just did KJ not too long ago.
Yeah. For his car show.
I told Jay, I said, let me get my customers back.
Yeah, man. That's what's up, man. Right. Man, that's what's up, man. Down here with my guy. Not knowing, I was just telling y'all that they was under new ownership, man. And this is my guy. What was y'all name over there? What was the name of the spot over there?
Custom Plaques was my old spot.
Custom Plaques, man. Custom Plaques. This who used to do my t-shirts and stuff back then. Back then, I wasn't getting no trophies. Back then, when it was time for me to start getting trophies, they had moved out of it. But, man, he back in here full time, man. That's what's up, man. My boy. You see they got them things rolling in here, too, boy. They got them rolling in here, so what I'm finna do, I'm finna holler at him, finna holler at Josh, man, and go on get wrapped up, get stuff started, man. Go on pay this deposit, see what's up, man. So y'all keep it locked, man. That's what's up, man. Yes, sir. Y'all see it. That's what I had last year right there. I had that one last year. That junk that hard too right there. Now I might go back with that one. That's the one like the fist. You got like fist hole in that junk. And that one that's straight too. We'll see though. Keep it locked, man. All right. Yeah, man. Jay got through hollering at the homie Josh. That's crazy. I did not know Josh bought junk, man. That's crazy. Ah, man. So yeah, that's love, man. Fam, locked in. Locked in, man. Locked in, man. Josh, you do job business with Josh and Jason years ago, man. So it's all good, baby. So I just gotta, I picked them out. Them junk gonna be so sweet, dog. Ooh, them junk gonna be sweet. Them trophies. Them junk gonna be sweet, man. Yup. Yeah, they gonna be sweet. With that, with my color scheme, you know, the color scheme of the flyer. You know, I put my flyer on the plaque, then put the plaque on top of the 3-column trophy. Yeah. So got that. Now we finna go down here and get this Ninja Slush. They say it's at the Walmart down here, man. So we finna go see if they got it. I'm gonna take y'all in there with me. And we gonna go get this thing, man. Keep it locked. 7-8 Chevy boy. All right. Well, did all that, man. Did all that. Came down here to Walmart, ain't got it. They said a Target got it. I gotta pass by Target on the way back in anyway. They say Target got it, so we finna stop by here and see if they got it. If not, just gonna order it offline. But I was trying to get it in my hand, man. If they got that junk, I can go and put it in my hand right now. So we're gonna see on the way in. Gotta pay by it anyway, man. So let's see. Now I was gonna get the small junk, 72 ounce. But you know what? I'm gonna go and put the little extra with it. We're gonna get the big boy junk, man. The big boy slush machine, not the 72 ounce, but the 88 ounce. The 5-in-1, not the 3-in-1. We're gonna get that joint. Make it do what it do, man. Man, Zeus clean, boy. We'll be back. Yeah, man, about to go in this Target. See if they got it. They're saying they got it, say Best Buy got it. So finna see what's going on, man. Get this junk. I'm just gonna ask somebody before I even walk through the whole store, man. How you doing, man?
We don't have enough space.
Do y'all stock the Ninja slushy machine?
We may have some back there. I'm not quite sure.
Okay.
Yeah,
I looked online. It says you all here. What area would it be?
So if you go down here, it's literally, I think, like as soon as you get into like B, past the cars, it's like one of those like third or fourth aisles back there.
Okay. Thank you. Let's see, man. What's up? What's up, man? Yeah. What about yourself?
I'm good.
Yeah. So I tell y'all, man, you gotta go ahead and my bad, turn my mic on. Just said pass the cards. Yeah, but you gotta go ahead and get stuff done. Would it be over here? Gotta go and get stuff done, man, instead of sitting idle. I know I could be making I could be dropping some YouTube footage, man, but there's only so much time in a day. There's only so much time in a day. I need to ask somebody. I think I'm in the right area, though. I think I'm in the right area. Excuse me. Can I ask y'all a question? Y'all, do y'all stock the Ninja slushy machine? It's online.
We have.
Got one left. Thank you. Know I was in the right area, man. Ninja slushy machine. Look at that, man. We're gonna go and get the big boy junk. See if I can find me. I'm talking about they got one left too. Let me hurry up and find me a basket, man. Let me hurry up and find me a basket. See, you know, Target like the Chick-fil-A. Like the Chick-fil-A. It's like the Chick-fil-A of stores, of the department stores, I guess you want to put it. You want to say it like that. Man, let me go find me a basket. I'll be back. All right. Going to grab that junk, man. Got one left. Had to walk all the way back to the front of the store. They don't have baskets just laying around here in the store. They push their stuff back up neat, man. You feel me? They push their stuff back up neat. Yeah. No, I gotta do it for YouTube. I mean, for Instagram too, man. 78 Chevy boy down here at Target, man. They got one left, man. One left on the shelf. This the Ninja slushy shelf right here, man. They got one left. It could be you. We're giving it away, man. This the big boy junk too. Not the little one. The big one. Not the little one. Like Janky say, man. Yeah. Ninja slushy machine. Along with the Blackstone grill. Matter of fact, I'm finna show y'all in a minute. The grill and the slushy machine. Same time. Hold tight. Yeah, man. You gotta put it on all platforms, man. You gotta put it on all platforms. You gotta promote it, man. You gotta promote it. You gotta promote it. So what I'm gonna do with this one, I'm gonna I need to make sure it look like this been slid off before. Let me make sure, man. I don't know about this side. you know, I'm gonna give him the receipt. I'm gonna tape the receipt to the box anyway, man. I'm gonna tape the receipt to the box. That one there is a little loose, but it don't look like the box been untaped before. It's been untaped, you can tell. Yeah, so let's see. Oh, we gonna check this sucker just in case. They could have slid. They can slide this off and let the top. They can slide this off and let the top up. I felt some plastic. Nah, look like everything intact, man. Look like everything intact. Everything intact. Yeah. Everything intact. This little band just a little loose. It don't look like nothing out of place. But they will have a receipt if they wanna. They can take it back. They can sell it, take it back. I don't care. I'm gonna get a receipt with it because I don't want them to think, you know what I'm saying? There's something wrong with it. I don't want them to be stuck with it. Can't take it back nowhere. So I'm gonna go ahead and give them a receipt with it, man. 7-8 Chevy boy. Get up out of here, baby. We're gonna stop by. Drop this one off up there. Drop this one off over there where the Blackstone is, man. I always get a brain freeze when I'm thinking about that Blackstone. But y'all keep it locked though. We'll be back. All right. 7-8 Chevy boy, man. 7-8 Chevy boy, man. It's just on my mind about this right here. About this band. Cause I got up there, man, and I usually just try to follow my first mind. I got up there and she said the return on this, the amount of days, you got 30 days. So it's just April the 20th something, 23rd. So that'll put us at May 23rd before my show. And man, I don't want them to open it, something wrong with it or something, and then they can't take it back as far as to the store. Of course, you probably can hit up Ninja, go through all that, but I want them to be able to take it back to the store, man, at least. So I'm gonna see what Best Buy, what's their return policy and all that. Or if I can find one that really feels like it's sealed up. Cause I don't like this. Man, this band just too loose, man. Look at that band compared to this one. And I had to kind of force this one off a little bit.